What's up? How's it going? Welcome back. In this episode, we're going to dig into the transmission, see what's wrong with it. No, we already have to replace the shifter. Found that little bit of the spring in the last one, so gonna take it apart, at least take the shift mechanism apart with the little carrier springs and replace those if we can. And yeah, hope you enjoy it. Thanks. Hey, so we got a delivery parts box. Hopefully got everything we need. Let's open it up, see what we got. What we got? Got stickers. Yeah, JP Cycles. They have the lowest free shipping threshold of $50, so here's what it is. Again, this is a flip bike, so not trying to go crazy here on the cost. But we've got a new rear brake rotor. We got oil filter. Clutch cable for the one that broke on the primary. The threading on the primary actually broke here, so this down. Got that. And then the most pressing pieces, little carrier springs for the little shift mechanism in the transmission. So cool. I think we got what we need to get rolling on this. We'll bring you back here in a minute and once we get started. Sorry y'all, I'm an idiot. I keep forgetting to turn the camera on for this stuff, but I've got the transmission out on the bench. To get the shift mechanism, this guy off, in order to replace the carrier springs, I have to remove this bolt right here, this guy, but it had a lock washer on it, which was a pain in the ass to get that tab bent down. But it's done, and just got the carrier off. But I need to remove this snap ring. Break out the snap ring pliers. Oh, piece of junk. Yeah, these aren't fitting in the little holes. Dang it. Do I have snap ring pliers that will fit it? Does not appear to be the case. Damn it. Alright. Having to improvise. Trying to use 2 picks. Harbor Freight Special. Pull this snap ring out. You know as well as I that probably be quicker, easier in the long run to just go get the right tool, but today I ain't got a whole lot of time to work on this thing. Let me try a different bend. Oh, you piece of crap. Yep. Not working. Don't know if you can see that, but using like a hooked pick and a real fine flat blade, I was able to get the snap ring off for the most part. I'll just pop it off the rest of the way and voila. Alright, so I got that off. Pull that out. Check my washer. It's fine. Erasing here, feels good. No grooves. Alright, and then our springs, the reason we're in here. So what the heck is going on there? Different springs within springs there. Same on this side. I don't know what's up with that. Y'all seen that before? Bunch of springs wrapped up together. Look at this. I don't know what that is. Alright. Well, let's open up the new springs, see how they match up, or if they match up. So they look a hell of a lot longer. Wonder if they just broke in that many pieces, and that's why they're all bound up. First of all, let's see, are these the right? They look like the right diameter. These are a little bit tighter of a lined than the originals. I wonder if this being so much longer, if it's going to make it harder to shift. Alright, so all that was kind of all for naught. Should have read the manual, right? RTFM. So yes, this is supposed to be a single spring, not a spring within a spring or anything like that. And it even says in there, replacement spring should be approximately 2 and 21/32 inch. We're right there. It's almost perfect. So we are gonna run it and we're gonna be happy with it. So I'm gonna put that spring back in. There we go. Voila, good as new. So again, the trouble getting this back in is there is, you see this pin goes in between the springs here, and this plate had come out of the little cam down here, but I got it all in now and it's on the detent like it should be, so hopefully, or it should go in a lot easier this time. So let's get her lined up. Press it back into the cover here. Alright, so we're going to install this guy. Need a 5/8 socket, and the manual says 20 to 30 foot-pounds of torque. So you guys see too, in order to make it a little easier, I wrap this coat hanger around the gears and in and out just to hold the gears in place while I'm moving the transmission around, just so stuff's not falling out of place. But yeah, looking good, I think. I'm gonna tap the other ear of this lock washer down too. Let's see. Good enough. So let's turn the back face up. Get that snap ring, whatever it is. Alright, I'm going to try the same way I got it off. There we go. Moving freely in the groove, but of course I forgot the stupid washer. Damn it.
Sucks to be me right now.
Alright. It wouldn't be me if I wasn't doing it twice. We are in. Alright. Good deal. Let's take a look at this guy. Alright, so we got neutral right now. That's actually, I think, second. That's third. That's fourth. These new springs are really tight.
Yes, you are tight like a tiger.
Really hard to... Oh yeah, sweet. But yeah, it's hard to shift it. I'm gonna read some more of the manual and then get back to you guys shortly. And yes, you may have noticed I shaved my beard. It's freaking hot already. And I kept this nasty thing for the good times. Well, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully you got something out of it. I am having to go through and add intro and outro on some of these, so that's why I'm wearing different clothes or whatever. But thanks again for watching. Really appreciate it. And if it's not too much trouble, please like, subscribe, do all the things, comment. If you saw anything I did wrong, feel free to post it in the comments. Any other best practice stuff, just for the next generation, throw it down there, you know. Give us some kind of resource, right? Well, thanks again. Hope you have a great day.